The Simpsons, a cartoon that started in the 80s and somehow keeps predicting the future. Smartwatches, Trump's presidency, the Higgs boson, even Disney buying Fox. But did you know that The Simpsons may have also predicted the rise of cryptocurrency in some seriously spooky ways? In this video, we're diving into 5 times The Simpsons predicted something about crypto and how this animated sitcom saw Web3 coming before most of us did. Welcome back to Top 5 Crypto, where we uncover the weirdest, wildest corners of the blockchain world. Let's get into it. Number 1, Season 31, Episode 13, Frinkcoin of 2020. The official crypto episode. This is the most obvious and perhaps most direct crypto prediction The Simpsons ever made. In the episode titled Frinkcoin, Professor Frink invents his own cryptocurrency to become the richest man in Springfield. The show even includes a segment with Jim Parsons, Sheldon from The Big Bang Theory, explaining how cryptocurrency works, complete with an animated blockchain floating in space. And get this, the blockchain in the episode includes this line of text. Each day I am closer to being the cash of the future. It was tongue-in-cheek, but also right on the money. This aired in February 2020, just months before Bitcoin, and the entire crypto market began one of their biggest bull runs in history. Number 2, Lisa's Future Currency, Season 23, Episode 22, Lisa Goes Gaga. Cryptic symbols and alternative finance. In this episode, Lisa and Bart are shown using a digital currency, and while it's not explicitly called crypto, the visuals include QR code-like graphics, a digital wallet interface, and a terminal that looks eerily like a decentralized exchange. The episode aired in 2012, a full year before Ethereum even existed. Fans have since pointed out that the show often depicts Springfield's money as unstable or manipulated, while alternative currencies are presented as the future. It's subtle but clear. The Simpsons planted seeds of decentralized finance long before it hit the mainstream. Number 3, the rolling ticker, Buy Bitcoin. Season 25, Episode 1. Blink and you'll miss it. In the episode Homerland, there's a scene where a news ticker runs at the bottom of the screen. Among the scrolling headlines is a blink and you'll miss it moment. Buy Bitcoin. No joke. This was aired in 2013 when Bitcoin was trading around $120. If you had listened to The Simpsons and bought BTC right then, you'd be up more than 30,000% at the 2021 peak. Was it a joke? Sure. But as with many things in this show, the joke might have aged into prophecy. Number 4, Mr. Burns' digitized wealth. Various episodes. A recurring theme of programmable money. Throughout the series, Mr. Burns is depicted as old-school rich, but in several episodes he's shown using digitized accounts, off-grid banks, or shadowy transfers that feel suspiciously close to private key systems, anonymous wallets, and offshore crypto holdings. In one episode, Burns says, "My money is hidden in places you people wouldn't understand." Sound familiar? While this is more of a pattern than a single prediction, fans have noticed that Burns' wealth management style resembles modern crypto whales using complicated tech, secrecy, and code to move massive amounts without detection. Whether intentional or not, it predicted how the ultra-rich would adopt crypto not just for profits, but for privacy. Number 5, Blockchain Education on TV, Season 31. A not-so-subtle nudge to the masses. Back to Frinkcoin for a moment, because there's one moment we haven't talked about. During the Jim Parsons explainer, a cartoon voice says, "We know who Satoshi is, but we're not telling." Yup, The Simpsons literally teased the biggest mystery in crypto. And they did it with a smile. But more than that, the show made blockchain and crypto understandable to millions of people who'd never heard of them before. Airing on Fox to a global audience, they made crypto funny, friendly, and kind of mainstream. Long before CNBC, long before TikTok explainer reels, The Simpsons were educating people about decentralized tech in prime time. So was it all coincidence, a joke? Or do the writers of The Simpsons have a time machine? Whatever the case, one thing's for sure. Crypto isn't just tech. It's culture now. And if you're ever unsure about where the market's headed, maybe just watch a few more episodes. What do you think? Have The Simpsons predicted something else about crypto that we missed? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to do a part 2. If this video gave you a few laughs and a few chills, give it a like, subscribe to Top 5 Crypto, and hit that bell. We've got more weird, wonderful Web3 stories coming your way. Thanks for watching.